So good morning friends, your MCX Profit Crew here for the day 9/9/2020. As I have not posted for the long time, today I'll be posting a short video for natural gas, crude, silver and gold only. So from tomorrow I'll try to post all the levels. As far as natural gas is concerned, you can say the trend is reversing as far as now is concerned, the price is concerned. So if the price close above 176 176.10 176.15, then you may expect a buy zone till 180.50 180.60. so when the 180.50.60 ranges reach, you can say it may go all the way up to 182. So from 182 the reversal starts, means the sell starts. You can put a stop loss for sell at 184.50 184.60 for the target of 178. As far as the buy is concerned, 173 to 173.50 173.60 is a good zone for buy, and if 173.50 broken and closed strong, you may expect up to 176. So as far as natural gas is concerned, this is the range. Let's see how crude is going to work. So I am opening the crude chart now. As far as crude is concerned, it's in a downtrend only as of today. So if the price at the level of 26.50 26.55 not able to sustain and closes below, it may go all the way up to 25.90 25.95. If it closes above 26.44, it may go all the way up to 26.78, then to 27.8. So as far as the buy entry is concerned for crude, 27.30 to 27.40 is a good buy zone with the stop loss of 27.70. As far as sell is concerned, you can say 27.50 is the sell zone, and 26.50 is the buy zone. So 26.50 sustains, it may go all the way up to 25.90, and if it's 27.40 sustains, it may go all the way up to 27.93. Let's see how gold is going to work. So as far as gold is concerned, you can say from yesterday it's consolidating a bit, and as of now it's trading in a negative range from the opening. You can see clearly that it's a gap down opening. Maybe the gap get filled, but as far as the trend is concerned, the sell trend starts from 51.550. Whereas it's trading at 51.75. You can go for a short buy from 51.080 to 51.50. It's a 70 point range. If you are a multi-lot holder, place like 3-4 lots and drop the lots as the targets reach. So 51.550 is the sell range, with the stop loss of 51.800 for the target of 51.250, and then again to 51.40. If it closes below 51.40, it may reach all the way up to 50,400 today. So as far as gold is concerned, it's trading in the short side in the international market also. XAU USD and gold is trading in the sell side, so trade carefully. As far as the range is concerned, today the range will be between 5600, you can say, 5800, you can say 5800 to 51,800, almost 900 and 1000 point. You can see now it's going up. Almost it's about to reach our target in a single candle itself. So plan and trade accordingly. Let's see how silver is going to work. As far as silver is concerned, silver also in a sell trend from the weak start. As I said yesterday in the group and channel, that silver is in a downtrend, but it may go a bit forward, in the buy direction, and it may test the zone of 69.70 to 69.200, where it may get a reversal from there for the targets of 67.700. So the sell for today in silver is 69.200 with the stop loss of 70.200. It's almost 1800 points. So trade carefully in silver. If it closes below 68.670, once it reaches the level, then it has to come down. So once it closes below 68.670, it may go all the way up to 67.680. If the close is not below 66.700 and 66.800 happened, it may go again towards the buy direction. So trade carefully. Today it's going to be between 66 67,600 to 70,200. So this is the range for silver today. If anything is there, just come to our Telegram group and channel and ask your queries there, and don't forget to introduce your friends to the channel. Let's see how it's going to work. As I said, and I'm about to close the video. It's the silver price is going up, so trade carefully, as the opening also today gap down, so it may fill the gap.